This is a teach of 9 to 5 to powerful women. Choreographer is Bubba Jones. I'm Sherry Barrett. I'm going to walk you through it. We begin with the weight on our left. And it's scuff, touch, knee, roll a quarter, kick, ball change, pivot, a half. Wizard step, rock, recover, triple a half, side rock a quarter, behind side cross, side rock, behind side cross. Toe switches, point and heel switches, and rock, recover, coaster step. And it begins again. It's a 2-wall dance, so I'm going to go ahead and dance it again facing the camera. 5, 6, 7, 8, scuff, touch, knee roll a quarter, kick, ball change, pivot a half. Right, wizard, left, wizard, rock, recover, triple a half, side rock a quarter, behind side cross, side rock, behind side cross. Point and heel and rock, recover, coaster step. We're ready to begin again. I'm going to go through that for you with counts. Weights on our left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And that should have you on the floor for 9 to 5. Enjoy.